We're standing in the best buying opportunity in a decade here in Columbus, Ohio. I mean, the headlines are horrible, right? You see historic vacancy reaching a 20-year historic high, 10% almost. Huge oversupply of new apartments hitting the market. This is happening also in many markets and almost nationwide, but I'm talking about Columbus, Ohio. Basically, that has been creating tremendous pressure on rents. Rents have been completely flat 2025. I'm willing to say a little bit of 24 in there as well. A shift in immigration policy. We're losing some of those renters. We're seeing soft labor market. Of course, all this vacancy has been caused by the huge supply of new apartments hitting the market. 9,100 units in 2025 to be exact, as per CoStar data. I can also confirm based on firsthand in our portfolio that we manage, our property management company manages, we had to even drop rents in a lot of cases to maintain occupancy. Had we not done that, we would have been having probably more than 10% vacancy. And so now you see the demand in Columbus, though, it hasn't gone anywhere. The demand is actually really strong. The demand at the end of 2025 reached double the historic yearly demand that we have had. The highest demand we ever had was in 21. Last quarter of 25, it was extremely strong. Obviously, it didn't get to the 9,100 units that were supplied in the market. It reached to about 6,000, which is pretty good. But looking ahead, the groundbreakings, right? The groundbreakings for new construction at the end of 25 in December fell through a cliff. Basically, 75% of it gone for 2026. And so the slush of new units that remain in the market is going to be absorbed in the next few months. And toward the end of 26, what I see is that the market is going to gain its footing again, and the rent growth will be there once again for the whole market. So if you wait for the end of 26, when you start seeing headlines that are positive, you at that point have missed the boat. Right now is the time to sharpen your pencil, keep an eye out on properties that come to the market, and find those opportunities that make sense for you, looking at the data ahead. If you're looking for your next Columbus acquisition or disposition and want to reach out to get a second set of eyes on your underwriting or assumptions, we're here to help. We're local. We're here in Columbus, Ohio. We're vertically integrated. We have obviously our brokerage where we help clients acquire and dispose multifamily and commercial assets, but we also help with our in-house property management company, Swiss PMG, and our investor arm, which is Realist Capital, with a fleet of subcontractors that help with our multifamily renovations. Feel free to reach out. Until the next one.